Hello, everybody. Today we are going to solve some simple problem of the topics angle between the two straight lines of additional mathematics for grade 10. And these questions are important for SEE exams. And before starting the solution of these 5 questions, let us discuss about the formula. So the first formula is tan theta equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 whole divided by m1 1 plus m1 into m2, and it is a angle between the two straight lines. Okay, so look at here. So there are two angles, theta and 180 minus theta. It is a straight angle, so we have two angles. So the positive value of tan theta gives acute angles, and the negative value of tan theta gives obtuse angle. Okay, so we have to make either positive or negative according to the acute or obtuse angle. The next formula is this m1 and m2 are the slope of the two lines. Suppose this is the slope of this line and m2 is the slope of another line, and the slope can be obtained by using this formula minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y if the straight line is given in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Sometimes these equations may be of the form by equal to c. Okay, if we have this form, in that case also we can use this formula. Next, if this line passes through, if the line passes through the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2, then in that case the slope of that line is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, when the line passes through the 2 points. So after obtaining the m1 and m2, we can find the angle between the two lines. Now also, after finding this slope, if the slope of the two lines are equal, then they are parallel. Okay, the slope of two lines, if equals, then they are parallel. And if the product of slope of the two line is -1, then the lines are perpendicular. So these are the main important formula that is used in the angle between two straight line. Okay, in these topics. Okay, now we start the solution of the problem. Okay, starting from the question number 1, solution of 1. So first of all, writing down the questions here. The equations are root 3x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. And therefore, the slope of this line, okay, say it is m1 equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. And this equals minus the coefficient of x is root 3 and coefficient of y is -1. Okay, so -1, and this equals root 3. Minus 1 divides minus becomes plus. And another equation is y plus 3 equal to 0. So the slope of another line is using the same formula, coefficient of x, coefficient of y. And these equations do not include x variables. It is independent of x, no x is there. So the coefficient of x is 0, minus 0, divided coefficient of y is 1. Okay, you can write here 1, and 0 divided by 1 is 0, and 0 is non-negative numbers. Okay, now we have obtained the two slopes of the two straight lines. Now if theta be angle between the two straight lines, then we have that, we know that tan theta equal to plus minus m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2, and this gives the value of m1 is root 3 minus the value of m2 is 0 divided by 1 plus, so root 3 times 0, and this is plus minus root 3 divided by 1, and that is plus minus root 3. So we have a value tan theta equals plus minus root 3. So then we have to find the angle between two lines, this theta. So there are two signs, positive and negative. First of all, taking positive sign, we solve here now. Taking positive sign, we get tan theta equal to plus root 3, or tan theta equal to root 3 is tan 60 degree. Okay, since root 3 is equal to tan 60, so therefore the value of theta is 60 degree. This is the acute angle. Why it is acute? It is less than 90 degree. Okay, again, now after finding the acute angle, you can find obtuse angle by subtracting this acute angle from 180 degrees. So obtuse angle theta equal to 180 minus 60, and that is 120 degree. Therefore angle between the two straight lines are 60 degree and 120 degree, and this completes the solution of question number 1. Okay, now we solve the another questions 2. We solve another questions 2. Let us see the questions. So that the straight line passing through 3, minus 4 and minus 2, 6, and the straight lines 2x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. So here the two lines are parallel. We have to prove that the two lines are parallel. The condition of parallel is m1 equal to m2, and one of the line passes through the 2 points, and another line is given in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we find the slope m1 and m2. If they are equal, then the lines are parallel. Okay, so now we find the slope of the line passing through 3, minus 4 and minus 2, 6. That is m1 equal to, the formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and this equals, the y2 is the y coordinate of the second point, that is 6, minus, and y1 is the y coordinate of first point, that is minus 4, and minus minus becomes plus 4 divided by x2, that is the x coordinate of the second point, minus 2, minus x1 is the x coordinate of first point, that is 3. So this gives 10 by minus 5, and when we divide 10 by minus 5 we get minus 2. This is the slope of the line passing through the 2 points 3 comma minus 4 and minus 2 comma 6. Again, now we find the slope of another line. Slope of 2x plus y plus 3 equal to 0. Let it be m2 is equal to equal to already written, and this is in the form of x plus bi, so we write minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y, and this equals minus coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of y 1. Okay, there is only y, so it is 1 times y. So the coefficient is the slope is minus 2. Hence, look at it, the value of m1 minus 2, the value of m2 is again minus 2. Therefore, m1 equal to m2 equal to minus 2. Hence, the straight lines are parallel. Proved. Okay, so to prove parallel lines, we find slopes, and the two slopes must be equal. Okay. Next, we solve the question number 3. Okay, look at the question number 3. Solution of 3. If the lines 3x plus my equal to 5 and x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1 are parallel to each other, find the value of m. So here, again, we find the slope. Here, slope of the line 3x plus my equal to 5. Let it be m1 equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. The coefficient of x is, look at here, 3, and coefficient of y is m. So therefore the slope of first line is m1 is equal to minus 3 by m. Again, we find the slope of another line, slope of another line, that is x by 2 plus y by 3 equal to 1. Let it be m2 equal to, again, minus coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Okay, so look at here, x by 2 means 1 by 2 times x. That is, the coefficient of x is 1 by 2. So coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Similarly, we have a y by 3, and this means 1 by 3 times y. That is, coefficient of y is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So therefore the slope, second slope is minus 3 by 2. Okay, so after finding out the slope, let us see the conditions. The two lines are parallel. So now look at here, since the lines are parallel, therefore m1 is equal to m2. That means minus 3 by m equals minus 3 by 2. So on solving this, we get m equal to 2. So minus 3 and minus 3 both cancel 1 times, and we get m equal to 2. This is the required value of m. Okay, now I have left to solve 2 more questions, We solve question number 4. So look at the question number 4. If the line passing through 3, minus 4 and minus 2, k is perpendicular to the line 5x plus y equal to minus 3, then find the value of k. Here, one of the line passes through the given two given points. So slope of line passing through 3, minus 4 and minus 2, k, that is m1 equal to, we have a formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, because the line passes through these 2 points. It is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So now we get y2 is k minus 4, but it is minus 4, so minus minus becomes plus. Similarly, minus 2 minus 3, and this becomes k plus 4 by minus 5, and it means minus k plus 4 divided by 5. Okay, so this is the slope of the line passing through the 2 points 3, minus 4 and minus 2, k. Again, the slope of the line, okay, 5x plus y equal to minus 3, it is m2 equal to, it is in the form of x plus by equal to c, so we can write the formula coefficient of x by coefficient of y, and this equals minus coefficient of x is 5, coefficient of y is 1, that is equal to minus 5. So again, look at the conditions. The two lines are perpendicular. So since the lines are perpendicular, therefore the product of the two slope is equal to minus 1. The slope 1 is minus k plus 4 by 5 and m2 is minus 5, and this equals minus minus plus, so minus 1, look at here, minus times minus, okay, plus, and this plus divides minus, it becomes minus, and 5 and 5 we can cancel out, so we have got k plus 4 equal to minus 1. This 5 and 5 cancel, so therefore k equal to minus 1 minus 4, and this equals minus 5. Okay, next we solve the last questions now. Okay, this is the required answers. Now last question is 5. Solution of 5. So calculate the value of m if the line 3x minus my equal to 19 makes an angle 45 degree with a straight line 3x plus 5y equal to 7. So here also the same case, we find the slope and use the formula of angle. Okay, so write slope of the line. First line is 3x minus my equal to 19. Say it is m1 equal to minus coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and this equals minus coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is minus m. Okay, y and this. These are the coefficient of x, coefficient of y. So minus, when divides minus become plus, so we have 3 by m. Similarly, again we find the slope of another line. Slope of the another line is 3x plus 5y equal to 7. Let it be m2. And this equals, by the same formula, coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and that's minus coefficient of x is 3, coefficient of y is 5, plus 5, we don't write this. This is m2 and this is m1. Now let us see the condition. Like in question number 2 they are parallel, in 3 also parallel, in question number 4 it is perpendicular, but here makes an angle 45 degree. Okay, so now angle between two lines is theta equal to 45 degree. So we have given an angle. So we use the formula of angle. Then theta equals plus minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 times m2. Okay, so then theta is 45 degree plus minus the value of m1 is the value of m1 is 3 by m minus the value of m2 is minus 3 by m 3 by 5. So minus minus plus 3 by 5 whole divided by 1 plus the value of m1 is 3 by m times minus 3 by 5. Okay, so the value of tan 45 degree is 1 and this equals, so adding these two fractions we take LCMs of m and 5, that is 5m, and dividing this 5m by m we get 5, and 5 times 3 is 15, plus dividing 5m by 5 we get m, and this gives 3m. Okay, and in the denominator 1 minus plus becomes minus, 3 3s are 9 by 5m. Oh, this is the denominator, or 1 equals plus minus, so 15 plus 3m by 5m in numerator, and denominator again subtracting 9 by 5m by from 1. So we multiply this 1 by 5m minus 9 by 5m. Okay, this is the denominator. So now we have a denominator and numerator both in fractions, so when divide them we get 5 plus 3m by, sorry not 5, it is 15 by 5m into 5m by, we just multiply reversing the denominator. So this two quantities cancelled also there. Now I will solve it here again. By cross multiplications, 5m minus 9 equal to plus minus 15 plus 3m. Okay, now then after that let us see here. You see the remaining solution in this part. So there are two signs. Taking positive sign you get 5m minus 9 equal to 15 plus 3m. So 5m minus 3m equal 15 plus 9, or 2m equal to 24. Therefore the value of m is 12, one of the answer. Okay, so taking negative sign, we get 5m minus 9 equal to 15. Sorry, this becomes 15 minus 3m, because when we multiply by minus to the terms of within the bracket, becomes 15 minus 15 minus 3m. So taking to the left, we get 5m plus 3m and minus 15 plus 9. And on simplifications, what we get? Let us clear it. I've already done this off. So 8m equals, now listen, minus 6. Therefore, or m equal to minus 6 by 8, and it means minus 3 by 4. The common factor of 6 and 8 is 2, so we cancel them, and remaining factor is 3 minus 3 by 4. Okay, we can show this like this: 4 to the 8, 3 to the 6, minus 3 by 4. Therefore, the values required, values of m is 12 or minus 3 by 4. This completes the solution of 5. In this way, we have solved 5 questions of the straight line, of the coordinate geometry, of additional mathematics. So, in coordinate geometry, there are 4 chapters. One of the chapter is conic section, which is a new chapter, and 3 main chapters, and they are angle between the straight lines, pair of straight lines, and the circle. We have discussed about such 3 chapters in previous videos, and today we have solved this, and the problems we have solved in these videos, previous videos, are most important questions. So you try, practice them, and you also try the similar problem from the practice book for the SEE preparations. Okay, thank you for watching the video.